tying my hair, trying to make it look good, presentable. Okay, hopefully it does not tie on me because I don't think it's tight enough, but we will see. Okay. Okay. This side always comes in a little lower. Okay. I think my hair is tied good enough. Okay, this is me for today. I did a bold lip earlier on, and this is what the bold lip was supposed to be. That's an IG challenge. I figure once I was done, I will do an eye look. Since I'm already playing with makeup, I will just do that. So that's what this look is all about. Today's word is be careful what comes out your mouth before you say it. Think about the words that you're about to say to someone else. Yes, we can give constructive criticism. We all do it. But please be careful in the way and the manner that it is done. There are lots and lots and lots of people suffering. They are suffering from many, many, many different things. Things we don't know about. Things we should maybe not know about. So when we do say something to someone, let us be mindful of how we say it and what we are saying. Because life is not all cherries and sweets and honey. It's not. I'm the first one to let you know. Life is not always cherries. I grew up in the islands. Life was rough. I have been homeless. I have been treated unkind by people while I'm in their house living. So I know it's not easy. I know how it feels to get depressed. I have been there years ago. That is what happens when you're going through the struggles. If we don't have any kind words to say to someone on their YouTube channel, on their comments, let us don't say anything. I hear so many YouTubers saying about the nasty comments they get. We are all not slim. We're all not fat. We all have something wrong with us. Something we don't like about ourselves. Some of us have big bottoms. Some of us have little bottoms. Some of us have big boobs. Some of us have no boobs. Some of us have small boobs. Some of us have flabby boobs. But that is not a reason to make somebody else feel bad about themselves or say something to make them feel bad. Let us remember, we are stronger together. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, will see you in another video. If you're going through anything in your life that you think it's too hard, find help. If there is anything today that you'd like to do and fear is in the way, step into fear and do it anyway. Life is short, shorter than we think. So we just have to keep doing the things we love to do and enjoy and call it a day. Because tomorrow might not be there. The next minute might not be there. So again, I am saying bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon.